Hey guys, welcome back. So now in this series, we'll move further with our list comprehensions examples. And we have done the if condition, the complex one also, and the user defined function also. And we also had a look on the walrus operator in the last video. So if you have not seen those videos, please go ahead and watch it. Now in this one, we'll do the if and else. So let's do an example for the if and else, and we'll see how the if and else work in the list comprehension. So if we take a series or list, sorry, of numbers, I think we already have a number list. And we can just comment out everything. Not okay. So now here we have the list of numbers, and we'll apply the list comprehension with if and else. So let's say new numbers, and again we'll do the same thing. We have three parts: action, then we have the source, and then we have the condition. However, in this one with the if else, we'll change thing a little bit. Okay, so we have the source. Source is going to be from where data is coming. Data is coming from these numbers. So I'll say for number in numbers. Then for action, we have the number here. And for the condition, if we have the if condition, we used to give it here. Like if number is greater than 20, and we can go ahead and print it. So we have 30, 40, and 50 numbers, because the number is, whichever number is greater than 20, we are printing it here. But now we want if and else both. So we can do it here. So we are saying number, if number is greater than 20, else number multiply by 2. And if we run this, so we get the number if the number is greater than 20. So these three numbers are greater than 20. So we get 30, 40, and 50. And else we are doing is number is else if the number is not greater than 20, we are just multiplying it by 2. So we have 20 and 40. So we have this complete becomes an action, and then we have the source here. So this action includes everything, action and the condition, and this one becomes the source. Okay, so let's look at the another example. Suppose we have the languages, and here we have a list. So we say we have Python, then we have Java, then we have JavaScript, we have C++, and let's say COBOL. Okay, so now we'll create a list comprehension for this. So let's say new languages. And here, let's do the source first. So the source is the language list. So for lang in languages. So now we got the source. Then here we are going to say, give us the lang in the upper case if the if condition lang starts with j. else lang lang dot title case. Okay, so what we are saying is loop over the iterate over the language, and for each lang make it upper if the this language elements in this list starts with J, else just make it title. Okay, so let's print new languages, and if I run this, so we have Java that starts with J, so it is in the upper case. Same with the JavaScript. Rest all the language are in the title cases. Okay, now this is the complete, as I said, action with the condition here. But we can also give a condition afterwards. Like if I want to give a condition here, and if I can give an optional condition here, we say if length of lang is, or we'll do something else. If not, let's do length of lang is greater than 2. And then if I run this, we get the complete answer, same answer, but let's add something here. And if I say AB, and now if I run this, so we do not have this AB because the optional condition is here. So this becomes our source, this becomes our optional condition, which is a condition, and then this completely becomes our action with the condition. Okay, I hope this was helpful. And if there's any question, please let me know. Thank you.